The Sodor Railway, Season 2, Episode 3. A Bad Day for Stanley. Stanley is an engine that works on the Sodor Railway, and is the most reckless engine on the line, with Smudger being the second most reckless engine and he's only reckless due to Stanley's reckless attitudes. Stanley's wheel configuration is a bit too short for the narrow gauge rails, and yet it's the largest engine to ever work on the Sodor and always will be. But because of his wheel configuration being a bit too short, he can slip between rails and land on flatbeds. Well, land on the sleepers, and this is a great problem for Stanley. But one day, the manager came. Stanley, there's a special. You will be taking the Duke and Duchess of Sodor along with you. You will be given, and you will have to take special coaches. Yes, sir, said Stanley. I'm flattered. Now, do remember to go to the harbour, pick them up in your cab, because we cannot risk the coaches derailing while you're trying to head to the harbour and reverse out. Yes, sir. Now, you must head there now. They'll be at the harbour soon. Yes, sir, said Stanley. And he steamed off. I'll get there in time if I have to. I wasn't mean enough. I'll get there. No. Yes, no. Oh, come on. Stanley was not happy. His wheels had slipped in between the rails again, and this means he couldn't pull the train. And this meant another engine would have to pull the train. So Proteus had to take the Duke and Duchess in their special red coaches. And they enjoyed the ride. They even said if Stanley were to take them, they knew he would be doing more awful. Well, thank you, said Proteus. It's an honour to pull a Duke and Duchess. And he carried on. Stanley was still angry. Why can't I just steam along the line just to take a Duke and Duchess? Just to be able to take the train. Why can't I do that? Said Stanley. Then the manager walked up. He was enjoying his picnic more in the woods, and then he had realised Stanley had derailed. Stanley, what were you doing? Sorry, sir, but I slipped between the rails, and now Proteus has had to take my train. Oh no, I was the one who ordered him to. I thought you were taking much longer than you should have, so I sent him. But I did take much longer than I should have because I derailed. Yes. Now, you will have to stay here until nightfall. The Duke and Duchess don't want to see anything a bit, shall we just say, confusion about anything that's not good. So we'll have to wait until night time for them to not have that happen. Oh, come on, said Stanley. At night, Stuart took and brought a crane to help re-rail Stanley. He knew Stanley was need to be re-railed as he was the railway's number 2. Hurry up, said Stanley. Soon he was re-railed. Soon Stuart took the crane away and came back. Well, thank you, said Stanley. Just get to the shed, said Stuart. And so he did. Finally, when Stuart took away the crane, he came back for Stanley. I should have been widened a bit wider, then I can at least work on these rails without derailing. You'd still derail without it. Pow! Huh. And Stuart took Stanley back to the shed. Well, I think Stanley deserved his crash, don't you?